Hey y'all, heading on an adventure with Babe.
Heading the Two-Hearted River. Do some camping, fishing, probably do some side-by-side riding. Are we trail riding now, babe?
It's hard to say.
Campsite. And we're off. Let's head down to find Lake Superior. What you think, Gert?
Beautiful. A lot of bugs. Oh, I think we're coming up to it right now. Yes, this is where we stop. Beautiful.
Oh, there's a sweet view.
Crazy how this
that a
just
50-foot
plummets
drop?
right off.
Homemade ladder. Well, that's sweet.
Look. Ooh, this makes me nervous. That's cool. Suddenly feel like my bug spray ain't shit. There's tracks.
Go down there.
It looks like there's tracks, but
Oh, I'm here for all that.
we smoking trees, babe. This looks beautiful down here. We should.
Right down there?
Okay.
It's like quicksand or something.
Probably plummets right off a cliff.
What you think, Gert?
Hey. Can't wait to see what's on the other side of this hill.
Grouse for dinner, babe. Get it, Gert. Get it, Gert. Get it, Gert. Get it, Gert.
Oh, he can't fly.
Oh, look at that view.
Wow.
Where we at?
Chris Point Lighthouse. Babe, check this out. Graveyard of wrecks. There's only one safe spot in the whole.
That's really cool.
Well, if you're scared of heights, I don't think you want to climb up the lighthouse. But what a beautiful view.
Wow. We got up on that one. Oh, let's stop here and make this
Put your bra on the tree, Gert.
No, let's do it. We need that thing to strap these babies down.
Chick's place.
Look at the underwear.
Put them on, Gert.
Big Mama. The Schmitz. That's hilarious.
Paradise, 11 miles. That's where we're heading.
That was a little deeper than expected. It smells like an outhouse. Oh. We got ducks floating down here. Made it to Paradise to get some bobbers, some supplies.
When in doubt,
Throttle it out.
oh!
That was awesome. Back there eating dirt. Chapel of the Two-Hearted.
Made it back. This campground's so cool. You can put 20 bucks in this registration station and stay one night. 40 bucks, 2 nights, so forth, so on. No reservation needed. Of course, you might not have a site when you get here either, I'm sure.
First come, first serve. Almost there. Home sweet home.
Fishing in the Two-Hearted River. Let's see if we can get lucky. What you doing, Gert?
I'm watching my bobber.
Oh, you trying to catch us some dinner?
Hoping.
Look cozy.
Very. Hey! Oh. Look at this water.
Oh, I need to turn it over still.
Bert,
What up, Gert?
gonna make us some dinner? What you making over here?
Tube steak.
Good one, babe. That was a good one. Now, what are you really making? Talk us through this.
Oh, we ain't ready yet. We're gonna do some steaks.
Oh, look at this. Got a little kit here.
Oh, he's got some steaks marinating.
We got some fried rice. We got some
Fried noodles.
veggies.
Noodles.
Fried noodles, yeah.
Look at
Oh,
this.
this is his utensil kit.
Oh,
Got
that's
the mini
sweet.
black
He's
stuff.
ready.
Everything right and ready.
New mini Blackstone. Father's Day gift from Gert. Getting dinner going.
Bump of steak, some veggies. Throw some rocks on.
Bert marinated these steaks overnight. And it was so good. Oh, look at this. Bert knows how to cook. Then we got Gert over here.
Couldn't wait. Should have roasted wiener.
She's roasting the wieners.
Some fried noodles going on. Oh yeah. Veggies about done.
Let's take a peeky boo at these steaks. We're eating good tonight.
Oh my gosh, this smells so good.
Wow. Money.
Really good.
Wash it down with a...
Nice work. Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, I'm gonna fly the drone while you guys get.
The sunset is so pretty. It's a fish, you better come on.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. And call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah.
A little sausage, egg, and cheese sandwich, babe.
Yeah, I'd love one.
Have some sausage McMuffins this morning, side of potatoes.
Yum. Campfire coffee, pot 2.
Well, we're heading home from our one-night stay to Two-Hearted River Mouth Campground. What a hidden gem in Michigan.
It was amazing, peaceful, beautiful.
And we are excited to come back.
My only regret was we needed more than one night.
Till next time. When in doubt,
Throttle it out.